friends, welcome back to another Step It Up Stamping. I'm 𝗶𝗄𝗁, and if you've ever wondered how to make a card without feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. We're going to start and make a very, very simple card, and then add a little bit more to it, and then take it right over the top. So in these 3 cards, you're going to be able to create your own stamping journey where you feel the most comfortable. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm using the Christmas Greenery bundle, which I just think is so pretty. And interestingly enough, I am pairing it with some autumn designer paper called Gathering Together. The Gathering Together designer series paper is actually a specialty paper, and it has gold foiling in it. And one of the pieces in this paper just made it perfect for this card. So let me show you the card. This is the paper. Look at that, gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I just thought it was so perfect for this stamp set. Now, I want to show you the envelope first. This is actually stamped in 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃, so it's a really, really deep green. I know that it looks like it's black, but it's not. It's a deep green. And it's this image right here, which I also stamped in 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃. And then this is what's known as a 2-step stamping stamp set. Let me show you the stamp set again so you can see it. Here we go. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. See these outline images? Then there are the bold images that fit right into those detailed images. I hope that makes sense. So in this case, I stamped the outline image in 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃, and then this stamp and this stamp was inked in lemon lime twist, stamped off on your scratch piece so that it's lighter, because lemon lime twist is a pretty bright in your face. And then I stamped all of the other images with the individual stamps, and this is what you get. I've got complete instructions for you. So you can definitely, I'm going the wrong way. Here we go. So you can see how all of these were individual stamps, but it goes together very quickly. And that would allow you very easily to do green poinsettias, yellow poinsettias, and of course, red and pink poinsettias. So very easy to do. Okay. I love this clean, simple, and easy card. This is a Busy Bee card that anybody could make, and you could make a lot of them. All right, so let's take it up one notch. This is our worker bee card. Same paper, just a larger piece of it. Isn't that pretty, guys? Again, from the Gathering Together designer series paper. Now, this time I did add sentiments, and the sentiments I added were from the traditional labels stamp set. I just wrapped some of our new 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃 gold trim. Isn't that pretty? I hope you can see how that sparkles. Then just stamped the Merry Christmas. And then on this piece, I actually did fussy cut it out with scissors, but it is part of the bundle. And then in the next card, you'll see how you could just cut it out with dies, which will save you a tremendous amount of time. Okay, isn't that pretty? So there is quite a significant difference between the Busy Bee card, which literally comes together in minutes, and the Worker Bee card, which is going to take a little bit more work. This image is still easy, but now you have to cut it out. So that takes a little bit more time. And these are just 1-inch strips of cardstock that you stamp the sentiment on. So quick and easy, not hard at all. Okay. Oh, and I think I put, yes, if you look at this flower right here, I did put some Link of Stella on it to just add a bit of shine and glimmer. Hard to see on camera, but it's there. All right. Now let's bring out our over-the-top Queen Bee card. Oh my gosh, isn't this pretty? And this, my friends, is actually a gift card holder. So before I show you the gift card holder part, I just wanted to show you that I stamped the Merry Christmas. This time I fussy cut it out with scissors. this image now, which I fussy cut out with scissors here, this image now was die cut with the dies that come in the Christmas Greeneries bundle. So it made quick work of this. This took like literally not even 2 minutes because it's easy to stamp. And then the die cuts it out. And then I also cut several of these pine boughs. You can see how I put it all along the side and bottom here out of 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗏 cardstock. So it's almost monochromatic. I have different shades of green going in here. And then what really makes it special, I think, is this designer paper. I'm trying to get where you can see the color on the and the shine on that paper. Okay, so again, the 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗏 and gold trim, and this is our gift card holder. And this gift card holder, by the way, the designer paper as well was cut out with the arches dies, the everyday arches dies. And then I just cut 2 different dies here and folded this up at the bottom. This was actually just a smaller die cut that looked like this, and I just folded it up at the bottom. And then I stamped the to and from the traditional label stamp set. Easy, easy, easy. Use whatever stamps you have. And then before I applied this piece onto this piece, I wrapped the ribbon around it. I should have brought a gift card with me. I don't have one, but this has created a pocket. Let me see if I could show you. I don't know if I can. It's kind of hard on camera. Yeah, there. So see the gift card or money or whatever you wanted to put in it goes inside this piece. And I just think this is such a pretty gift card holder, mainly because of the paper and those fun dies. Isn't that great? So this is our Queen Bee card. So let me bring these back out. We've got our very, very simple Busy Bee card. We've got our Worker Bee card where we take it up quite a bit. I mean, the addition of more designer paper, the inclusion of this gorgeous ribbon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even tell you how gorgeous this ribbon is in person. And then the Queen Bee card, which is a gift card holder. Again, let me pull that out so you can see how easy this is. Sorry, I wasn't on camera there. And then your gift card would just be right here. You can mail it. You can put it on the tree. You can give it in person, whichever way you wanted, but it makes a very, very elegant gift card holder. So I would love to know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I do have to say that if I was going to be making a ton of Christmas cards, I would probably do this card because it is really fast and easy. It's 2-step stamping, which makes this no coloring in. You're just stamping it, right? And you could do this in any color you wanted. If you didn't like the green poinsettia, then it would be very easy just to turn that into red by using cherry cobbler, and it would look beautiful. So if you don't want the monochromatic look, you can definitely change the colors up. And if you want to know how to do this gift card holder, I do have complete instructions for you that you can get, and it has all the measurements, all the supplies used, and step-by-step instructions. Thank you for attending today's Step It Up Stamping, and I hope you'll join me next week for another one. Talk to you later. Have a great creative week. Bye.